Every year, another heritage brand gets bought by a holding company, moved to China, and quietly gutted. The name stays on the box. The quality disappears inside it. Craftsman is now made by Stanley Black & Decker using imported parts. Pyrex switched from borosilicate glass to soda lime glass that shatters under thermal shock. General Electric appliances are now owned by a Chinese conglomerate called Haier. If every brand you grew up trusting has been hollowed out, what is actually left? We spent 4 weeks investigating. These are the only 5 brands that have refused to sell out. They are not cheap, they are not flashy, but they are built to be owned, not replaced. Number 5. Lodge Cast Iron. A 12-inch skillet costs $30 at your hardware store. It is a crude, heavy chunk of iron poured in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee since 1896. It does not have a computer. It does not have a non-stick coating that flakes off into your food after 2 years. It does not have a Bluetooth connection. What it has is a century of thermal mass that gets better the more you use it. Oil bakes into the iron surface and creates a natural polymer that nothing sticks to. We have documented cast iron pans from the 1920s that families still cook with daily. There is no planned obsolescence in a lump of iron. There are no circuit boards to fail. $30, one purchase, 100 years. Number 4. Dawn Tough Socks. This sounds absurd until you do the math. A pack of 6 cotton socks from a big box store costs $12. They pill, thin out, and lose elasticity in 6 months. You buy 2 packs a year. That is $24 per year times 10 years, $240 on socks that are always falling apart. Dawn Tough makes merino wool socks in Northfield, Vermont. They cost $20 to $30 per pair, and they come with an unconditional lifetime guarantee. Not 10 years, not 20, lifetime. If they wear out, if they get a hole, you send them back. They send you a new pair. No receipt, no questions. The factory has been running since 1978. 3 pairs of Dawn Tough socks on rotation will outlast every cotton sock you will ever buy. $90 for life. Number 3. Honda GX small engines. If you own a pressure washer, a generator, or a lawnmower, you know the pain. You pull the cord 40 times, the carburetor is gummed up, the engine rattles like a dying animal. That is because most small engines are cheap Chinese clones that last 2 to 3 seasons. Honda's GX series is the exception. These are the engines that power commercial landscapers, construction equipment, and disaster relief generators around the world. They start on the first pull in 90-degree heat and 20 below zero. The engineering tolerance inside a Honda carburetor is microscopic compared to the knockoffs. But the real reason they make this list is part support. If you break a component on a Honda GX engine from 1985, you can still order the replacement today. 40 years of parts availability. When your family's safety depends on a generator running during a blackout, do not gamble on a knockoff. Buy the Honda. Number 2. Goodyear welt boots. Most modern boots use cement construction. They glue the sole directly to the leather upper. When that glue dries out and the sole peels, the boot is dead. You cannot repair it. It goes in the trash. Brands like Thorogood and Red Wing still build boots using a method called Goodyear welt. The leather upper is stitched to a leather strip, which is stitched to the sole. When the sole wears through after 2 or 3 years of daily work, you take them to a cobbler. They cut the stitches, remove the old sole, and stitch on a new one. The boot is reborn. You can do this 3, 4, 5 times. A pair of $300 Thorogood American Heritage boots resold twice over 10 years, will cost you less per year than buying $100 glued boots annually. And a broken-in leather boot with a fresh sole is more comfortable than anything you can buy new. Stop buying disposable footwear. Buy a boot that can be rebuilt. Quick question. What is the oldest product you own that still works perfectly? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how far back real quality goes. Number 1. Speed Queen. If you watched our dishwasher investigation, you know the appliance industry is in free fall. Sealed drums, plastic gears, disposable circuit boards. Speed Queen is the last holdout. They build the washing machines you have been using at laundromats your entire life. Their residential models use the same commercial-grade platform. The TC5 top loader has a mechanical timer, a steel transmission with steel gears, and fills the tub with water to the top. It does not have a touch screen. It does not connect to your Wi-Fi. It washes clothes. That is its only job, and it does it with violence. Every unit is tested for over 10,400 cycles, the equivalent of 25 years of home use. The warranty is 7 years, full coverage, the best in the industry. They are built in Ripon, Wisconsin, and they have been making washers since 1908. The TC5 starts around $1,000. Your neighbor will replace his Samsung 3 times in the same period. Speed Queen is not an appliance. It is the last machine that respects your money. Here is what these 5 brands have in common. They are all too simple to fail. No circuit boards, no sealed components, no subscription services, no software updates. Iron, steel, leather, wool. Materials that have been working for centuries. The corporations want you on a replacement cycle. They want you back in the store every 3 to 5 years, buying the same product wrapped in a new marketing campaign. When you buy a cast iron pan or a Speed Queen or a rebuildable boot, you break that cycle. You stop being a consumer and start being an owner. The most expensive product you will ever buy is the one you have to buy twice. Stop buying the marketing. Start buying the engineering. Subscribe, because next week we are tearing apart the furniture industry. Particle board, pressed sawdust, and the lie they call solid wood.